What are the best practices for service area business SEO, even without a physical address? There is a common misconception that if you do not provide service at your address, say you have a home office, that a Google business profile is not the right move for you. But I would urge you to reconsider, because Google Business Profile actually allows you to use a service area and hide your address if you don't see customers in person. Coming back to the home office scenario, of course, you don't want to be sharing your address for everyone to see. So this allows you to hide that while still letting people know that you are in the local community and you can provide service to them. You'll want to also focus on localized landing pages, consistent NAP, name, address, phone, across your directories, and localized content that reflects the service areas. You'll also want to look at getting local backlinks, reviews, and using service area schema to also boost the visibility of your business without a physical storefront.